Here is how to set fingerprint lock on Oppo. To set fingerprint locks very easy. On Oppo you can find fingerprint sensor on screen, on power button, or back on your Oppo body. Next, to record your fingerprint, open the setting like this. On setting, go to password and security. Next, don't forget to set up lock screen password for first time. Next, you can see fingerprint. Go to fingerprint and then unlock your screen lock. Next, you can see I add one fingerprint. Next, you can add new fingerprint here. Add a fingerprint, and then you can see tutorial animation on your screen. In my phone, fingerprint sensor on screen, bottom screen, like this. You can record your screen like this. And then tap down to record a new fingerprint. You can tap here. So easy, like this.